Assalamu alaikum student of class 9. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to discuss about the importance of software in the maintenance of computer, which is from your ICT book chapter 2. So let's get started. Story 1. Rana was very intent to having a laptop from her father after getting admission to the college. As her attainment in the first term examination was good, her father bought her a branded laptop with Core i5 processor. Rana was impressed with the quality and speed of the laptop. She installed many pieces of software within a few days. However, she noticed a gradual decline in its performance. After 1 year, she observed that the laptop was running too slow and it was irksome working on the computer. After some days, she made a capricious demand to her father for purchasing another one for her. Here student, the word irksome meaning irritating or annoying. Okay. Story 2. Ankun has recently taken internet connection for the computer. Now he frequently browses the web and has benefited greatly from the sites with the information related to his study. Besides education, he uses the internet for sending emails, listening to music and watching movies. Recently he has found the computer often restarting without any prior notification. In addition, the internet browser opens different sites without any command. One day he inserted a memory stick into the USB connection port on his computer. He was shocked to find out that his files turns into shortcuts. He could not even locate the original files. What you understand from the above events? It is similar to your experience. You have already known many things about information and communication technology this time, and you have understood that the processor and software are the main components in ICT. A new computer, be it a desktop, laptop or tablet, usually runs fast, but after some days it gradually slows down. As it gets old, it becomes slow. Sometimes you have to wait for a long time after giving a command. Sometimes the situation is so bad that you want to buy a new one. What is the way to resolve this situation? Here lies the importance of computer maintenance. You have to learn a little about computer maintenance in the junior classes. Most of the people do not like the task of maintaining ICT or technological devices. However, it is an important task. If you want to keep your ICT device operative, you have to maintain it. You need not to be an expert for that job. We are talking about software-oriented maintenance of ICT devices. If the Windows operating system of Microsoft company is used in your ICT device, you have to check its status and update the operating system all the time. If the device is connected to the internet, the updates are done automatically. Other operating systems provide a similar kind of facilities too. In spite of that, you have to use registry cleanup software to keep the machine fast. If you do not use this software, your machine will not work properly and it will be a matter of annoyance for you. Besides, whenever the computer is used, some temporary files are created. If these files are not erased for a long time, they occupy a lot of space in the hard disk and slow down the speed of the computer. That is why we should erase the temporary files with our software. It will make some space free and speed up the computer. Nowadays, the use of ICT device cannot be imagined without the internet connection. Many cookies and temporary internet files are saved in the cache memory of the internet browser when you surf the net. It slows down the computer. If it is not possible to clean up the cache memory every day, it must be done in every few days intervals. A piece of software can help you to get the job done. Here student, what is cookie file? A cookie file is a text file that web servers ask for and then add their own information to and store on your hard drive. And cache is used to store online page resources during a browser for a long run purpose or to decrease the loading time. Okay? Using ICT device without antivirus, anti-spyware and anti-malware is very risky. It is an important maintenance activity that protects the user's device from the attack of virus, malware and spyware, and they can safely use their device. Now many antivirus, anti-malware and anti-spyware software can be downloaded free of cost from the internet and used to protect the computer. Even these pieces of software can be updated from the internet. The computer users can run disk cleanups and disk defragmenters to keep the usual speed of the computer. These programs are attached with the operating system. These two pieces of software clean up the space of the hardware and arrange the files in such an order so that the speed of the computer is kept up. A defragmenter is a software utility that rearranges the fragments or discontiguous parts of each file stored on a computer hard disk so that the small empty storage spaces adjacent to fragments can be used, effectively creating new storage space and possible making file access faster. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will discuss about installation and uninstallation of software. Till then, goodbye.